No way. Not possible that it's created this video. Well, let's see today a tool from Freepik that generate videos. It's a great tool you can use, generate many different of videos. And the cool thing is that you have a lot of models to choose from. You don't need to buy one license for one product. They added so many AI models. You can test most of the stuff that exists in the market today. Let's see how it works. Here I am in the interface. I have 3 levels of mode that I can select: fast, high quality, and custom. We'll see it now. I can upload an image to start with or an image to end with, and also describe the prompt. If you start from scratch, want to test it, click here. It will give you inspiration with an image and text. Here we have an image. I will upload this coffee shop image, and it gives you some prompt you can use. So this is the prompt it gives us. You can write it by yourself. You can make changes, and also, if you want, you can start with something. So I wrote here a coffee shop in the morning. If I want to add some information to the prompt and I don't have inspiration, I just click here and it will add more information to the prompt. Okay, we change to a cozy coffee shop and add some information. Apart of that, you can select from here. If you move left, right, move up, the different effects of the stand. And once we are happy with that, let's take zoom out. You can click on generate and it will start to generate. It takes some time. It's not so fast because there is a lot of information to render here. And here is the result of the image generation. As you can see, there is movement in the image. The two people talk one to each other, and it's quite good. So let's see some example. In the meantime, it's work. Yesterday, I asked it to take this image. As you can see here, this image, and generate video with that. I tested with different type of models, and here you can see the result. Let's see some different stuff. I will select here small, change the interface here to see more information. I asked it to create me move from hat in orange to blue. This one of the videos that I think did very good work. And now it's dependent on the model because this did a good work, but from the other side, this one, not something very cool. You can see it's changed my face and the image not so good. But apart of that, one of the things that it's interesting, I also tested with real image because this image I created with an AI model, but I upload another image, real image that I myself, this one as you can see here, and ask to generate video based on that. So you can see here the results. I asked it to move the coffee to the table, but it didn't create well the video because you can see it changed my face a little bit. Also the text in the t-shirt, the correct one. You can see here that it's moved from plastic cup to carton one. And I believe I will improve in the future and we will be able to make more accurate videos. But one of the things that, as I said when you start the video, you can select the models. If I click here on custom, you can select many types of models that exist today in the market, like the Mini Max, Kidding, Runway. And that is the big advantage of this tool because you don't need to pay for every tool. You get all the tools in one place, like Amazon, everything inside. Just select what you need. Another thing is that every type of model gives you another types of parameters to choose. So if I will use Minimax here, there is not a lot of parameters. But if I move, for example, to fixed verse 3.5, you will see that I have so many parameters here: zoom in, zoom out, the quality, the time that the video will be, anime, 3D animation, clay, comic, cyberpunk, a lot of stuff. And another thing that's important to know that before you click on generate, it will say to you how many generation you have with your credits. The thing is that from what I test, the quality of when the quality of the video is higher, it costs more generation. It makes sense. For example, this model that has cost a lot, I think it's the most expensive. I might not check all of them, but this one from what I check is very expensive. Create amazing results, and I want to show you it. So if I click here, you can see the video. It's generated. It's animation. Very cool. If you see that all the movements of the person move well, it's look very professional video. It's very close to something that can go to production, and this one can go to production from my point of view. Now, the good thing here, if you will click here, you can reuse the parameters that you generated for a new video. Let's do it. This was not the image that I added. This image, this one, as you can see here, this was the image. I said it that I want the camera shows close-up of the face, and the person needs to take, in that case me, take the glasses out. And I use the style animation style with 5 seconds without seed. And from this image, it generated that result. For me, it's amazing. When I saw it, I was super surprised that that is the quality, because wow, it's amazing to think that today we can do that stuff that maybe 1 year ago it was impossible to do with this quality. So here's the thing. Another thing that you can do with the tool is to add sound effects. So if I will take this video from here and I click here on sound effects, and I will paste here to coffee shop noise, click on generate, it will add the sound effects to the video. It's take a little bit of time because it's necessary to render again the video, but the result will be surprised. And as you can hear, it sounds very clear that it's a coffee shop. This is all for today. If you need a product designer for your project, my information in the description. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.